What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to use Doba for dropshipping and connect it to your Shopify store in order to import products from Doba and sell them on your Shopify store online. So what Doba is, it is a dropshipping platform that has lots and lots of products and categories of products that you can import to your online store such as Shopify or other stores and start selling them. So they give you like a large number of products that you can choose from, and they can range the prices and shipping times and so on. And Doba is a drop shipping platform. That means you will list the product on your website, and once you get an order for this product, Doba, or here the drop shipping agent, will handle all the logistics. So it'll handle the packaging of the product, the shipping, and so on. And you can follow the shipping process from your Shopify store as well as your Doba account. And here, that's how drop shipping works. So drop shipping is basically like you list a product, however you do not have the physical product in your warehouse or your storage, so you don't have the physical product itself. However, the supplier on Doba or the supplier on the dropshipping platform, in this case Doba, will handle the packaging. So it'll package the product and it'll send it to the customer's address. And of course, the product on your e-commerce website, in this case Shopify, in our Shopify store, will be higher than this of the supplier. So let's say the supplier sells the unit for $60. You will want to list like the unit for like $100, or maybe more, maybe less, depending on what you want to do. And you will get the $40 price difference as a profit. And the best thing is that you do not have to worry about the logistics, the handling, and the shipping of and packaging of the products, because Doba, or the supplier on Doba, will do this for you. So that's how basically dropshipping works. So you do not have to have the product itself, however you can sell it and make profit, and all of this without worrying about inventory and packaging and any of these details. Now here on Doba, we need to create an account. So you can go ahead and log in if you already created an account, or click on register now to create a new account on Doba. Now you can register with Google or Facebook, or you can go ahead and enter your email and password and your details. So I'll go ahead and do so. And once I create my account, it'll open the pricing page for me. So if I want to create an account or like sign up or subscribe to a paid plan, so here I'm on the free trial. They give you 14 days free trial, and then once you end the trial and you want to continue using Doba, you can sign up for the startup plan, the business, or the enterprise plan. Of course, the startup will cost you like $25 per month, or $50 for the business, or $300 for the enterprise plan. And you can view here the benefits of each plan, and you can compare like the details of each plan here. So you can choose the plan that works for you. Now for me, I'll just continue the trial. So I'll click on continue trial, and it'll open the Doba homepage, or my Doba like dashboard, where I can view the different product categories. Of course, they give you like the bargain item, they give you like their top picks or their recommendations, so you can view products recommended for you, or you can view the new arrivals, top sellers, the products with the high profit. So let's view the high profit products. If you decide on a product, of course, you can search for a certain product, or you can view here the different categories, so like home, garden, beauty, outdoor clothing, and so on. Now, let's say my site on my store, I sell clothing, so I want to view the clothing, shoes, and jewelry. And now for women's, let's choose men's fashion accessories. Okay. Now, let's say I like these bracelets, the leather bracelets, so I'll just click on them. It'll open the product page where I can view the product details, so like the price, I can choose the length and view the different colors. And here it ships from United States, and they have lots of items in stock. And the shipping, I can view the shipping cost here and the processing time or shipping time and the estimated delivery time. Okay, and view like related products if I want to. And here I can view the product details, highlights, and the shipping details, and the policy of returning and refunding. Okay, now once I'm happy and I decide to sell this product on my website, I can here click on add to inventory list, and this item will be added to my list here. So if I click on add to inventory list, okay, you can add tags for your product. For now, I'll skip it. And I can view my inventory list here. Okay, now let's close this window. Okay, now in my inventory, I have only this product here that I listed. Okay, now I want to link my Doba account to my Shopify store. So here, let's open the Shopify store here. And what you want to do is to go to add apps and scroll down a bit to Shopify App Store. And then search for Doba here. Now, this is the app you want to choose, the Doba Dropshipping. And make sure it's by Doba Dropship. The developer is Doba Dropship, so that's the official app for the Doba Dropshipping platform. Here, this app is like $25 a month, and you can have a 14 days free trial. So once you install this app on your Shopify store, you can go ahead and import the products in your inventory list or the products that you choose on your Doba store or Doba account, and they will be listed in your Shopify store. And when you do so, they will appear as products that any visitor or any client on your Shopify store can open and view and order. And once they order it, Doba or the supplier for this item will handle all the shipping and the packaging, and it'll send the product to your client. However, you must notice that in order to list the item in your Shopify store, you'll need to have a paid plan, so you'll need to be subscribed to a plan. So if I choose the product and click on list to store, it'll tell me that I need to be subscribed to a plan. I cannot do this on the trial plan, so I need to choose a paid plan. However, this is the way you do it. It's so easy. And if I go here to stores, so here I can link my Shopify, eBay, BigCommerce, Wix, Amazon, and many other like e-commerce platforms. So for this video, I want to link my Shopify, so I'll click on got it. And it'll also tell me that I need to be subscribed to a paid plan in order to connect my store. So you cannot connect your Shopify store or list products on your Shopify store unless you have a paid plan. So that's what it is here on the Doba. However, once you are subscribed to a plan, you will go here to stores and connect your Shopify store to your Doba account. And from here, once you connect your Shopify store to your Doba, you will go to the inventory list that will contain the items that you like, and you add it to your inventory list. And that's how easy it is to link your Shopify store to your Doba account in order to list products from Doba suppliers to your Shopify store to drop ship them.